Hello, this is Ms. Shaista Khanum from Vidyavardhini's College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to introduce a graphic user interface, that is Tkinter module in Python. So, graphic user interface is a required thing for any programming language in order to make your things attractive and to provide the user interface. So GUI is one of the requirements. So after making your program, you need a very good attractive GUI also to make your things, or to make it easy for the user, and you can make it beautiful also. So Python is offering this Tkinter module, which is nothing but the full form is Toolkit Interface. This is nothing but an interface provided for the Python programmer to use the classes of the TK module. Now, mainly what we have in this module is we have a root window. Root window is nothing but a window provided for the user, where we can display our text, our images, widgets, etc. Now, in the root window, you can allot your space. So the space can be allotted for our use by making a child window. You can see there are two types of child window I've shown over here. This is child window. One is called as canvas, another one is called as frame. Child window is nothing but I'm allocating a space for my use, and canvas is nothing but a frame or a window where I can use which I can use it for drawing pictures. Like I can draw the lines, arcs, shapes, different. So mainly to draw the pictures. And this frame window is mainly used to display the widgets. Widgets is nothing but like button and labels, so menus. So these things we can display it in a frame. So now we'll see how we can use this, how we can make it in Python. So first of all, in order to use this module, first of all you have to import this Tkinter module from Tkinter import star. Now, next is I want to create a root window. So for that root, see, this root is nothing but I'm giving a name to my root window. So you can give any name. Next, after that, root dot main loop. So this is nothing but what? A basic lines in order to make a root window. So we'll run it. So here I have done a mistake. I've written T capital. So you can see this is nothing but what? A root window is created. So you can see this root window you can expand, and you can make it very minimum. You can expand it to maximum size. So this is a root window. Now next what I want to do, I want to give a title to my window. So title is nothing but root dot title. Now what title I want to give, that I will write. So this is nothing but what? My title of the root window. So you can see here it is showing hello Python, which I have displayed it, right? Now over here, after this, what I want to do next, here you can see I want to fix the size of this root window. So I can write root dot geometry into bracket. Here I'm going to write the pixel size. This is nothing but what? And small x. See, this is nothing but width and the height of my root window. So 400 is a width and 500 is a height of my root window. So this is nothing but 400, and 500 is nothing but what number of pixels I mentioned. So you can see 400 is nothing but what a width, and 500 is nothing but what a height. This is nothing but what my, so you can resize your window. But here you can see, if I want to fix that minimum size of my root window should be, I can fix it, right, or maximum size. So for that, what I can do, here I can make it as root dot mean size, and here you can see the way of writing is different. Here we have to mention width, here I'm mentioning, and comma, here I'm mentioning 100 comma 100, right? So what it means, when I'll minimize my window, so the minimum size is nothing but 100 by 100, so it will lock at 100 by 100. So that you can see this is nothing but what my window size of. Now if I'll minimize it, you can see after this it is locked, it is not minimizing further. So this is nothing but what minimizing. Now similarly I can work it on maximum size also. I can lock on maximum size also. So this is nothing but what max size, and here I can make it to suppose 700, and this is I can make it to 800. So you can see this is my actual window of size 400 by 500. Now I'll minimize it. So I'll minimize, it will go to minimum to this size, and when I'll maximize it, one second. Here you can see this is a maximum size, and this is nothing but a minimum size. So it is maximum, you can see now it is locked. Now it is not going to beyond it, right? So that's why, like, in this way you can fix the size. And the last thing which I want to say, like, if you want to write something inside your inside the root window, then you can use a label command. So here label L should be capital. So class 1 is nothing but a variable, label is nothing but what label is a keyword which I want. Now next I want to write text, so text equal to whatever text I want to write. uh, so this is nothing but I'm writing the class is good. So this is nothing but my label. Now here I'll run the program. Now here you can see nothing is displayed over here. Why it is not? See, if I'm displaying this label, it should come over here, but nothing is displayed. It is same as the previous one. The main thing is what? This is not packed. So this variable should be packed with my, so over here, now see I've written class 1, this variable should be packed, so class 1 dot pack, and now I'm running. So now you can see the class is good. Now it is showing. So after defining it, you have to pack it, right? So this is for this video. We'll see the next things about canvas and widgets in a next video. Thank you so much.